crossing the border from the U.S. into Mexico at San Ysidro port of entry is a travel experience that blends the convenience of modern infrastructure with the pulse of a bustling international gateway. For many visitors, this is the beginning of a journey into vibrant streets, delicious street food, and colorful culture just minutes south of San Diego. The last exit before Mexico as you drive south on Interstate 5 toward the border, keep your eyes open for the last U exit ramp clearly marked as Last US. Exit T Camino de la Plaza. This is the critical point where you can veer off to park your car and walk across the border instead of driving into Mexico. So if you're planning to cross the border and want to park near the border of San Ysidro, this is one parking spot that actually will host you. It's $15 a day. It includes in the holidays as well. Look how spacious this is. And back over that way is the border entrance. This is a lot closer than the other parking spot where you have to walk a little bit further. So we prefer this area because it's closer to the exit when you're coming back in to the country. And yeah, and I think it's a lot cheaper. The other one is charging like $24 a night. So this is definitely a lot more affordable. Parking options and rates. Once you take that last exit, you'll find several private parking lots and garages within walking distance of the border pedestrian bridge. Daily rates typically range from $10 to $25 per day, depending on distance and whether it's covered or uncovered. Security, most lots are fenced and have on-site security, with some offering 24-hour camera monitoring. Tip: the closer the lot is to the border, the higher the price. If you don't mind a short walk, C5 10 minutes. Parking a bit farther away can save you money. Walking across the border after parking, follow the signs toward the pedestrian entrance. You'll pass a few shops and kiosks before arriving at the border control area. So here you go up the ramp. See, it says right there, to Mexico, para Mexico. And you go up that ramp and you go through the gated area. And that's where you go through immigration. Keep going up and up the ramp. As soon as you see that brown fence up there, you're getting closer. Okay, this is the entrance of Mexico from the U.S. side. The process is straightforward. Present your U.S. passport. Immigration officers will scan your passport and print out a short-term visa, Forma Migratoria Multiple or FMM for U.S. citizens. X-ray checkpoint, your bags will be screened before you're allowed to proceed. Note, U.S. citizens typically don't need to pay for short stays under 7 days, but regulations can change. Always check in advance. Pro tip: restroom break before crossing. This might sound small, but it matters. Use the bathroom before crossing. Restrooms inside the border control area cost $1 to use, and they can get busy during peak hours. Many travelers make a quick pit stop at a gas station or cafe near the parking areas on the U.S. side before heading in. Arriving in Tijuana, taxi and rideshare options. Once you clear Mexican immigration and customs, you'll step into a busy plaza area with taxis lined up. Official taxi stands are right outside the exit. They can take you anywhere in Tijuana, but always agree on the fare before hopping in. Notice the taxis are waiting there, so if you want to do that, go for it. If not, go for Ubers, but you got to go far away from this area. They don't like it when Ubers park here, even in that area. Ubers are not supposed to come through there. So what we're doing is we're crossing the street and we're gonna go a little bit further out so they can pick us up in that area. Okay. It's busy right now, but usually it's busier during the holidays. But you notice the array of taxis here, lots of taxis, so Ubers are not welcome in this area. Keep going further down. Keep going all the way down. There's a market right there if you need to pick up some drinks or anything like that. Some snacks if you need coffee. So all these taxis are just waiting. So you just keep going further down for Uber. Otherwise the Ubers won't pick you up in the side. They're gonna tell you, oh, you need to walk 1 block down. So best to prepare yourself if you're doing Uber. Okay, we're coming close to where we can pick up Uber. We're gonna go in that shady area right there. Okay, we just got our Uber and it was quick, within 1 minute. Alright, that is the border crossing here. Mexico, U.S. side.